Bonafide Hustler here, and it's another amazing vlog. So, let's see what we can get into today. What's up, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of super small spaceship slash escape pod slash you name it down below. But yeah, welcome to another vlog, and today we're gonna be, well, the first thing is we're gonna drop off some stuff at the antique booth, which is neat. I'll probably get a chance to thrift a little bit today, and we're also going to show you some of the things that I found that are at the house level. So that's pretty cool. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Bonafide Hustler, and don't forget to get the free guide. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you, 50 items that you can buy and resell pretty easily. Yeah, let's see what we can get into today. I got some cool things I want to show you guys, and we're actually at the booth, the back of the booth. Hold on, there we go, there it is. And who knows what we're gonna find today at thrift stores, but I gotta do a drop off first. So we have a lamp back here, pretty cool lamp. I found it for 20 bucks the other day. Gonna be asking about 180 in my booth for it. Lamps tend to sell pretty quick in my booth within a week or so. Got an old fishing tackle box right here, a neat leather bag. Let's take a look at it. How neat is it? Oh, it's pretty neat, dude. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that was a $10 bag. I'm gonna be asking about 60 for it. Little fishing lure box. I'm not 100% sure here. It's a pretty neat box. I think it's made by Umco, so it's got some bends and stuff on it, but it's nothing crazy. It does smell like fishing lures, which is a really pleasant smell. Right? And then we got some Justin boots right here that were $7 at a garage sale. Be asking around 55 or so in the booth for that. So first step, drop this crap off. It's not crap, Bonafide. It's really good stuff. It's money. Yeah, but it's crap because it's in this car and I want to fill up this car with other stuff. So technically, it is crap. All right, got my little stuff in my hands. I'm gonna go around so I can get into my booth because this is locked. Also got my awesome OM Duro bike that I picked off of eBay about 2 or 3 years ago. I think I spent like 530 bucks on it, and I sold the seat that was on it and the pads that was on it. The pads I sold for like 150, and I think I sold the seat for around 150 as well. But really, I'm like nothing into this bike, honestly. I'm riding it and I love it. It's such a cool bike. But this bike, believe it or not, could resell for around $1,200 to about $1,600. Yeah, it's kind of a rare bike, but I like it. It's an investment, and then I'll flip it when I'm done. What's up, little OM Duro? So cool. So they got some music playing in there, and I'll probably get a copyright strike, so that's not good. But the lamp is erected. Ew. It's erected right here. I built the lamp, and it's right here. Look at this awesome thing, right? $20 at a Goodwill. I'm gonna ask about 180, 190 in the booth, and it telescopes and does things, and it can like go over you, and maybe if you're like a rotisserie chicken and you're like right here, maybe it'll cook you and keep you warm. I don't know. The thing definitely does work, and it's pretty awesome. Don't know what the maker is, but lamps like this sell in my booth pretty quick. So from this Goodwill, found this Boys Down Patagonia puffer jacket. It's definitely down. If you're ever wondering if something is down or acrylic or Primaloft or polyester, look in the inner tag, which is usually in every jacket. Doesn't matter what the manufacturer is right here. And you can see the composition of what the jacket has inside. This one right here should sell for around 100 bucks, 85 to 100. This was $10.60 out the door. All right, we're in the Bonafide Hustler spare bedroom, and I want to show you some things that I found recently that are pretty cool. Turned down a $130 offer for this today, but I also just bought it like 2 days ago. Actually, the same time I bought this other thing I want to show you. So I went to a Goodwill. I went to Goodwill's for like 3 hours on a Sunday, and I found this one thing in a Goodwill that was next to a pretty nice neighborhood. I couldn't believe it. It's pretty awesome. So feel free to comment if you know what this is. Yeah, it's a CC Filson laptop briefcase. Discontinued one too. Inside the CC Filson bags, these are bags to bucks, by the way. There's a little tag and it tells you the model number, and you can take that model number, put it on eBay and all that kind of stuff. But once you do it with this kind of bag, or this bag, you'll find that it's discontinued, and it's actually selling for pretty high money. So someone offered me 130 bucks for it. I spent $10 on it. I turned that offer down. Countered with 175. I think it's listed for like 220 or 250 or something like that. But that's kind of money you can be making on CC Filson bags. They're very good bags. I don't even know if they say the CC part anymore, but Filson garments, bags, jackets, flannels, things like that. Those are all worth a good amount of money. So I'll probably end up selling this thing for around 175, I bet. But we'll see if the guy takes the offer. If not, I'll just start countering everyone else's offer with 175, and I'm pretty sure I can sell it for around 175. That's a pretty cool bag. It's a genuine Filson. Look, dude, look. Oh, it's so cool. Now, something that I did buy On the same day was a snowboard that had bindings on it. Came in a snowboard bag, it was $15. And I was like, all right, so the season's coming around. Snowboard bag, probably sell it locally for 20 bucks. Snowboard, it was actually a really good snowboard. It's called a Rome SDS, which I'll show you tomorrow morning. It's in the garage. But I dismantled the bindings from the board, and the bindings are actually pretty cool. Very collectible bindings. These are union bindings with a collaboration with a symbol. Boom. Pretty cool. Lots of nice tribal art on here. And these bindings alone, I was asking $250, someone offered me $200, and I took it within like 12 hours of posting. But that's okay. I'm good with that kind of return. These bindings are in very good condition. I think they might have been used once on one trip. But yeah, that's a pretty awesome hustle. Kind of goes to show you that not only is the season coming around for winter stuff, but who's to say that the person that buys the board and the bindings was even going to use the bindings in the first place. They might need to get larger bindings, for example. So when I look at stuff like this, the bindings are easy to ship off. They're a little bit more compact, way more compact than a board. So I dismantle the bindings, sell those on eBay, and the board usually would be something I would sell locally because of the dimensions. But I'll show you that board in the morning. But these are some cool finds that I found just a couple days ago at a Goodwill. And oh yeah, I went to other thrift stores today and I didn't find anything besides that down jacket. Okay, so we're in the Boddam gym. And yeah, that's my other thing. You should go check it out, you know, for all you guys and gals that are out there wanting to turn over a new leaf, feel good about yourselves, incorporate fitness, diet, good stuff. Check out my other endeavor called Boddam. Right here. You can check it out on YouTube and Instagram, but I've been putting a lot of work into Boddam this year. A lot of cool things are happening with Boddam, sponsorships with other companies and stuff. Neat stuff, but that's for the other channel. A lot of good information there. So I'm at the Boddam garage and taking a little closer look at this Patagonia puffer. Paid like $11 at the door for this thing. It's marked at $14. I don't know why I got a discount on it, but it's in really good condition. I think I'm gonna take a little thread reaper thing and get this thing out of here because trying to get that name out of there with some ink remover is gonna be impossible. So I definitely wanna try to get a reaper tool involved and try to get that out of there. But it's in great condition. And like I said before, when you look at these jackets, whether it be Patagonia or Arc'teryx, North Face, things like that, and those are pretty much the, you know, the kind of top brands you want to be looking for. I mean, Howler Brothers would be pretty good too. There are a couple up there as well. Moncler, Canadian Goose, like the Canada Goose or Canadian Goose, whatever that brand is. But essentially when you get into the inner tag right here, this one says Patagonia Common Threads Partnership, Repair, Reuse, Recycle, blah, blah, blah. Shell polyester, insulation, duck down. So that's important because a lot of people like duck down. Duck down holds its value really well. So Patagonia garments are really good resellable items. Also here in the Boddam garage, we have the snowboard that I took the bindings off of. So here is a Rome SDS 158. Really nice snowboard, good condition. More of a wide board too, as you can see. But yeah, this was part of that $15 deal that I picked up, and it came with a Burton snowboard bag. So I unscrewed the bindings, as you can see. You can even see where the base plate was. And I listed the bindings and they sold. Speaking of snowboards, check out what one of my viewers gave me back in the day as a trade for all my guides. This was pretty cool. So this is a old school Burton PJ5. PJ5 means it's a 150 centimeter board. Super old school. I mean, seriously, look at that. Yeah, I'm not playing around. That's more of a decoration, but that thing probably has resale of around $350 or so. Something like that. This Rome SDS probably wanted $150 at this point, although when it came out it was probably a $300 to $400 board. Among other neat things, I have two more pieces of news for you. Last weekend I picked up a really cool bike, which I'll flash right here. It was just listed as a Raleigh mountain bike, but I know, dealing with bikes, that this bike is closer to a $800 to $1,000 bike. And that's what it was brand new. So this bike that you're seeing in the picture, it's a 2015 model, still very relevant geometry and everything like that. It's called Tokol 1. And that bike I bought for $150 on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't even talk the person down. I dropped everything I was doing that day and I went to go pick this thing up, and it was like 50 minutes away from my house, which wasn't pleasant by any means. But I got that, a brand new bike pump on the side and a spare tube. But the bike is cool, So I listed the bike for around a G on eBay, and I also listed it locally and that kind of stuff. But neat bike, and it'll probably net me around $300, maybe $400 in profit. Something like that is what I'm thinking. It's not bad, you know? And the last piece of news I wanted to share with you guys, it's pretty cool. Remember that CC Filson bag we saw earlier in the video? Sold for $180 on an offer. So asking price $220 or so. There were 7 people that were interested in the offer. Sent it all to all 7 people, $179.99, and it sold. So we gotta pack that thing up and get it out. So that's pretty much the video. If everything goes right on the next video, I might be garage sailing in San Antonio, or the outskirts of San Antonio this weekend, so that should be pretty neat. So if you're in San Antonio and you see me riding around or whatever, I'll be in a small spaceship, then come say hi please, and who knows what we'll find at San Antonio garage sales. If you guys enjoy this footage, and you love the Bonafide Hustler stuff, then hit the like button now, and leave a comment. And make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye!